Hi everyone, I'm Valentina and I have a very special unboxing today. This is my first Cartier watch. Let's see everything that is inside. Meanwhile, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. There is perfume, there are perfume testers, travel pouch, the big box where the watch is, and cleaning kit. Let's unbox this beautiful watch. So this is the official box, which has another box in it. This watch has been on my wish list since forever. This is the one that I chose. Panthere in stainless steel in small size. Cartier just makes the most beautiful watches for women, in my opinion. This is such a minimalist, elegant, and feminine watch. But this hasn't been on top of my Cartier watches list. But then I changed my mind when I saw and tried all of the models and sizes. I like the most Tank and Panthere collection. I went to the store and I tried many options, and since I wear minimalist gold and silver jewelry, I thought I would choose the duo one. So this is from Panthere collection. In stainless steel. There is also in gold and duo stainless steel and gold. I preferred how stainless steel looks like, and I was looking for a watch I will be using every day, and I felt that this was a perfect option for me. I got it in small size, which also I thought I would be getting a mini size. I will put everything here on the screen, all the information that you need for the sizing. When I saw there are three sizes: mini, small, and medium. So I thought I would be getting a mini size, but it was just really small in person. And then in the end, I tried all of them. I was in between small and medium. So I think the perfect size for me would be something in between small and medium. Medium was just really big for my wrist. In the end, I got this small size. I love how this is of course a waterproof watch. I will not be showering with it or swimming with it. The only piece of jewelry that I always have with me is this, on me is this Tiffany watch. I love how the sapphires here match. I love it. Definitely see myself wearing this every day. It's such a simple watch and yet so beautiful. So besides of this original box that the watch comes in, I also got this travel pouch, which is so pretty. It's such a soft suede fabric, and then there is this watch holder inside as well. I think I will be keeping it in this travel pouch during night when I will not be having my watch on. I definitely recommend, if you are interested in purchasing a Cartier watch, that you go and see and try them in person if you can. If you're going to travel somewhere that has a Cartier store, it would be good that you try them on, because I actually changed my mind. I scheduled an appointment a couple of days before I wanted to go and purchase the watch. I suggest that you do the same if you're going to go physically in the store, because there weren't a lot of appointments left. It was a really nice experience. I brought my dog with me. My dog was a total star with the employees. They were taking pictures of him, they were petting him. They even brought him water and treats on a red carpet. They were really nice. And then, as I've said, I said that I was interested in purchasing a watch from Panthere or Tank collection. I tried all three sizes. I took my time there. I looked at myself in the mirror with the watches. I was in a pretty big dilemma between small and medium size, but then in the end I decided on this beauty. After my definite decision, the salesperson, he went and adjusted this watch band for my wrist. And if you can't do that, if you can't go physically to Cartier store, if you do plan to buy it online, then I really recommend that you measure your, of course, sizing of this watch and then compare it with the watches that you already have. That's how you can get approximately idea of its size. And then also you can measure your wrist so that they adjust it before they ship it to you. And how do you do that? There is a measuring tape on Cartier website which you can print and then measure the size of your wrist. Put your information there when you're doing the checkout, and that way once you receive the watch you don't have to do anything at all. Mine was adjusted, so they took out a couple of these, whatever it's called. I still have that here in the box. Let me show you. So the watch was a little bit shortened, as you can see. I still have this in case I'll need it for the future. And every watch, in every box, there is a warranty, international warranty card with a QR code, which you can scan for your 8 years warranty. And this is how you take off the watch. There are tiny buttons on the clasp, so right on one side, and then also on the other side. It is pretty simple and the watch is off. So happy with this watch, with my purchase. I just know I will be wearing it daily. If you have any questions about sizing or models, let me know down below in the comments. I will also leave the watch link in the description. Thank you so much for watching as always, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.